Gentlemen, I'm call 20. No, please do the honor.
Everyone, I am Ron Tomas Caldumindanya, your newly crowned Ginoong Santolan 2025.
Okay, ang tanong ng bayan, ngayon na ikaw ay nakoronahan na, ano ang pakiramdam?
It feels so surreal. So, kanina lang po para nakabakan ako. So, alam ko anong agad up. So, to the next like, segment ng competition. But, this takes time. And then I know what has a plans for me. So, I didn't expect na hospital na to, which is Ginoong Santolan 25. And I'm such very, very grateful lang po sa mga taong sumusuporta sa akin, sa family ko, sa friends ko, kahit may mga work sila. PTs at dito nga, so, 100 ko sila addicted at Eric so, and also speak there, station, Santa
Okay, please give advice for other aspirants na gusto rin makakit ang nakamid mong corona ngayon. Okay.
Better po na gusto nyong mag-join sa mga talents is, wag na kakabahan or wala akong classes na to. Confidence is the key lang po. So, if you're confident enough to show up onto people na you're yourself, that you're not really show your and that you can be living part in your life.
Okay, ano sa palagay mo ang nagbigay sa'yo ng panalo sa gabi?
Hindi na po kung ano sabi ko di. But I just go with the flow. So, that I just please up kung anong results man ang magiging. So, na magiging so po, excellent candidates at for the top placement po na years and that it's so surreal ang naging
Okay, mas makilala ng iyong habits of order kay viewers. Please invite them to follow your social media account.
So if you want to know me more, you can follow my Instagram, which is arjan.mindanya, or my Facebook account, which is Ron Tomas V. Mindanya.
Okay, last na lang to. Please express your gratitude kung sino man ang gusto mong pasalamatan sa gabi ito.
Ang gusto lang ko pala pong pasalamatan is yung mga taong behind this competition, sa organization, sa mga family so ngayon, gave me the confidence na tiwa sarili so who's na lang ngayon ito. So, yung pasalamat to all throughout.
Okay, and congratulations. Good luck on your after pageant journey.